Say hello, everybody. I just got up from a nap, and I feel energetic. Say welcome to Mommy Vlog. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Right, Mommy? Tell them. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Della. All right then. So we just got baby sleeping over there. Naomi just woke up. What we about to do? Huh? What we about to do? You okay? Okay, vlogger. Naomi just woke up from a nap. I'm gonna put something on YouTube for her. We'll go with that one. You guys, it's hella nice. I feel like a vampire. A bitch haven't been outside in forever. The kids in my neighborhood are just riding their bikes, living their best life. Look how nice it is. Like, yes, oh my god, it's so nice. He is chilling. Yep, today's definitely the day. Definitely need some cleanup. Damn, I haven't been in this truck in forever. fucking found. Oh my god. Hold on. Wow, great. Fucking great. This is like so much better. So I just I just did a little cleanup. I know you guys see me. I just dropped what my mom gave me, and I kind of think like I think I broke it. She know. Naomi, Gola. Why you take your socks off? Why are they on the ground, on the floor? You don't know? Now you know. When you have kids, whatever's yours is now theirs. So it's like 6:12, 6:15, and she just got tired of playing on her toy. So you want to lay with mommy for a little bit? My truck's currently getting fixed right now, so yeah. Right, mommy? She is chilling, right? Okay, future vlogger. That's the wrong way, mommy. Why is your neck so wet? Yeah. I know she could get her bottle, right? Her bottle's right there. Okay, I love you. Be careful. And y'all ever have like Little Caesars and you have the leftover? And like you have the crazy bread? I want it. Oh yeah. I know y'all can't really see me, but like the lights are off. I have the biggest headache. And Naomi is just rocking herself, so I'm just about to wait till she goes to sleep. And I'm about to go to sleep. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this vlog. It was so beautiful outside today. I didn't really vlog when the mechanic was here because like I got my daughter. I'm not gonna have her outside with the camera. That's doing a little too much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below. Bye y'all.